Want a blazing fast, free coding assistant inside VS Code? No hacks, no friction? In this video, I'll show you how to use RuCode with a Sambanova API key for maximum speed and then wire it to the GitHub MCP server so you can perform GitHub operations, branches, PRs, issues without leaving VS Code. And here's the kicker, we're not stopping at code. I'll also show you how to hook it up with the GitHub MCP server so Ru can create branches, open pull requests, and manage issues, all without leaving your editor. It's like turning VS Code into your personal AI-powered DevOps teammate.
Okay, so first thing you have to do is open VS Code, then click on extension section, then search for RuCode and install this extension. Click on extension. Now it's time to set up your Sambanova API key. Click on settings, then select Sambanova as an API provider. Now you have to enter your Sambanova API key. Go to sambanova.ai, click on start building, click on API section, click on create new API key. I will give it name RuCode. Paste your API key here and click on save. And you can switch between models. I'm going to pick Llama 4 Maverick. Click on done. Now it's time to set up your GitHub MCP server. Click on marketplace. The first one is GitHub. Click on install. You have to provide your GitHub personal access token, which you will get from your account. And I will also attach the video how to get your personal access token from GitHub. So you have to enter your GitHub personal access token here. Okay, so once you enter your GitHub personal access token, then simply click on install. Then this JSON file will create successfully. Now you have to use this MCP server, you have to run Docker also. So I'm already running Docker. If you don't have Docker, then simply just install Docker into your machine. Now it's showing successfully installed. Perfect. Now I'm going to ask list all repo from my GitHub account using GitHub MCP server. And it's done now. I have successfully listed all my GitHub repos using MCP server in RuCode. And this is just a start. You can do way more advanced GitHub operation for free at lightning fast speed with your Sambanova API key. Try it today and feel the speed. Thank you so much for watching this video.